Hey crew, thanks for vibing with me and coming back on the ATV Revive. We're gonna get this thing up and going. This is the second video in the series of trying to get this thing going. If you didn't see the first video, what happened was I found this ATV that belonged to my son. It's been sitting for about 9 years. But another thing I found was over here, I found a box of old parts that were used a long time ago to get it going. We're going to go through this and see what's in here. And what we can't use, we're going to go ahead and order some more stuff from Amazon. It shouldn't take too much to get it going. Now, I know for sure it's going to take a new carburetor and a battery for sure, and some fuel lines and fuel filter. But without further ado, let's go through here, see what we got, and take it from there. I love y'all, and thanks for coming along. Okay, let's get to this box, man. It's got some stuff in it. Let's see. Whew, get the dust off. What's in this box? This looks like some light bulbs. Light bulbs that I got from eBay a while back. I guess one of the bulbs must have burned out. That may or may not be able to be used. Put that aside. Here's some fuel line. I don't know if it's the same size or whatever was used on the ATV, but we got it. Some more gas line. This would be good for coming from the actual gas tank, I'm thinking. We got it. NGK spark plug, might need it. Oh, look at this, guys. The old original carburetor that came off of it. It was faulty from the factory, believe it or not. There was the main metering jet was screwed up inside of it. So I don't know. I just save it for parts or whatever. But I think about it. I know I'll be ordering a new one. So. But carburetor, some more fuel lines. It's like fuel shutoff valve. Put this aside. Got more parts than I thought I had for this little thing. More fuel line. What's this? A light switch. What the hell is this? Man. Air cleaner. It's crazy. I didn't realize I had these many parts around and sitting in front of that old thing. I knew in the past, I knew that these old four-wheelers would break, you know, being from China, especially back in the olden days. Like it was originally purchased back in like 07. And quality control really was crap then. So I guess it looks like I found myself just buying different stuff. What we got here? Let's see. What is this? Look at that. Another ignition switch. Man, talking about thinking outside the box. With 2 keys. I won't have to buy 2 months, I don't think. Okay, this was an old brake lever with the hydraulic reservoir and everything. I remember that crapped out and I had to replace that. And here's one for the other side with the throttle. What's this? It's like another light switch. How'd that happen? 2 light switches? Instructions for a charger. What's this? Pieces of fuel line. More fuel line. What's this? Voltage regulator. Wow. I was prepared and didn't know it. Guess the military does that to you. Ignition coil wire. It's like the high performance one too. It's orange. Crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. It's like a fuel valve or something for the fuel line going to fuel tank. I don't know what this is for. It's fuel related, whatever. Some springs, a big spring. I don't know what that came out of. Wow. A brand new hydraulic brake caliper with pads. It's like I may be using this thing. Crazy. Well, that's about it for the parts that I have on hand. When I finish going through it, we'll see what else we need. It's amazing. Today's my lucky day. The parts came in. Let's see what we got and get it popping. Come on, guys. Let's see what's in the box. It's always exciting, you know, getting your new parts and stuff in when you're ordering stuff and trying to, you know, get stuff fixed up. It's almost like Christmas. Let's see if Amazon failed me or not. What we got? What we got? What we got? What we got? It's a carburetor. I went ahead and got some more fuel line with these two really nice fuel filters. So, and also has a cutoff valve in here. I'll leave the description in the links below for Amazon, but it didn't cost that much. Whether I use it or not, I'll have it. I think I don't need it though. One of the main things I need right here is a battery. It's a Mighty Max battery, Power Sport, 12 volt. It's a 9 amp hour battery. That's what's in there now. So we'll see. Yep, that's the exact same size as the one that's in there now. I think we're going to be in business, guys. Looking forward to it. We'll put that here for now, and I go ahead and get it put on a charger, on a trickle charger, so it's ready to go. Let's take care of the important stuff. We got the new battery on a trickle charge until it's ready to go. Just let it go green when it's fully charged, but until then, we'll let it do its thing, and we'll work on other stuff. What we got here, this should be the carburetor. These carburetors don't really cost that much either. I'll leave this link to the description to everything I got here for you guys, in case you want to check it out. That's the thing about these old Chinese ATVs, is that the parts are cheap. Okay, okay. New carburetor, manifold. Another fuel filter. That's good because fuel filters don't last forever, so you're going to want to change them out periodically anyway, so you can never have too many fuel filters. And here's another custom air filter, high performance. That's going to be cool. But for the main event, here is the carburetor, which is just what the doctor ordered. These are pretty cheap. I think it was like $24, man. That's crazy. $24. So we'll go ahead and get this thing installed on there as well. I'd much rather just go ahead and put a brand new one on there Then they'd be messing around with an old used carburetor that the jets could be all gummed up in there, and you know, who knows what. But hey, I'm gonna have to worry about that. At least not this time around. Looking forward to it, guys. So I guess the next thing I'll be doing is I'll go through and kind of go from the known to the unknown and just do, well, a little bit of things I could do to it, like get the dust off of it. I know it doesn't matter, but to me it does. And get air in the tires and give it another quick visual. And then I'll start taking it apart, and then we'll take it from there. Thank you guys for coming along. Now remember, I'm not a mechanic, I'm just a parts changer. If you guys have any insights on what I should or shouldn't do, please feel free to put your comments in the comment section or whatever. But as always, I'd like to thank you guys for following me. Like, subscribe, you know the deal. And until the next time, thank you.